I'm Sara Figal, and I'm the Executive Director of the National Conflict Resolution Center. Very proud to say that our team has rallied like I don't think any of us ever could have imagined during this time. Um, we provide mediation to people in conflict to keep them out of the court system, out of the prison pipeline, and so forth. And we usually bring people together to do this. Well, all of a sudden, we couldn't bring people together, and the courts that usually send us cases were closed. And yet, we had all kinds of cases just waiting, people in terrible conflict, waiting to figure out how to share their children, waiting to figure out how to de escalate potential violent issues in their homes. And we realized we couldn't just hit pause. So we slammed right into how do we do this? How do we deliver this virtually? How do we deliver this even to people who tend to be resource poor, who may not have fancy connections, who may not have lots of laptops? How can we still get to them with video and telephone to help them work through their conflicts as the world just kept piling crap on them and making life harder and harder? And it worked. It has worked better than I think any of us anticipated. We have been able to bring people together in ways that are incredibly gratifying. We've had parents who all of a sudden were willing to talk with each other because they realized they had to stop their heavily contested visitation issues because of quarantining. And we've had siblings and parents realized they really had to adjust how they were living together, and they were really grateful that we gave them the opportunity. We've also realized remarkably that now that we can do these remote services, we're not restricted to serving people who can drive to our office or who can come to one of our centers. So all of a sudden, we're getting requests for mediation from all kinds of counties saying, we really need help with this parenting plan. We really need help with this family issue. We can say, sure. We're so glad in a way that we're available and we have it and we can do it. And of course, that just comes down to the incredible team, many of whose voices you will hear.